What was it?
Bull sprig. Buddy.
Lukey, he came right across you, man.
I know. Did you see it?
Yeah. Boss?
Buddy. This is done. Yeah, shot him. That's a nice one.
I need a finisher.
I need to get more ammo. Huh? I need to get more ammo.
Where's your other bird? I'm gonna keep birds up on this dry stuff.
Got him.
Luke, will you chase him for me?
Yeah.
Do you know what it is, Luke?
What?
What is it? Do you know?
Spoonie.
Spoonie?
Good shot, Luke.
Nice shot, dude. Nice sniper, dude.
Did you get that guy?
Huh?
Did you get that?
I just got him shooting. I didn't get the bird.
Oh, it's awesome.
Do you know what it was?
Drake Thanks, dude.
Nice shot. Nice shot.
Hey y'all, just wrapping up this video. First of all, thanks for watching, and I want to apologize for the lack of kill shots and footage from this hunt. The camera died about an hour and a half into the hunt, so you know we just didn't get a ton of footage. But it was a super great hunt. Most likely going to be my last youth duck hunt ever, unless they change the age, which they probably won't. So it was my last one, but it was good. We both shot our limits. I shot my sprig early on in the morning, and then Luke shot his later on the day. But I shot my first all Drake limit. Let's see, I shot a Drake pintail, 5 Drake green wings, and then a Drake shoveler. And then Luke had a pretty good bag himself too. He shot his Drake pintail, 4 Drake green wings, a Drake shoveler, and then a hen green wing. So he was almost at that all Drake limit, just that one hen green wing. And then we didn't get this on footage either. I wish we did. But 2 honkers came over and we shot at him, and Luke nailed one. So he got a honker to his bag also. But yeah, thanks for watching, and yeah, we got some turkey hunting videos hopefully coming up. We got season in about a month here. So yeah, hopefully we get on some birds this turkey season and get some footage for you guys. Alright, take care.